Hello and welcome to Access Allowed. Content creation and the whole digital space is blooming. It's one of the biggest markets in the world right now. Everybody is turning out to be a content creator during the lockdown. But two of my most favorite content creators, RJ Abhinav and BU Nick, welcome to Access Allowed.
Woo!
Hi. नगमा
हाँ दीपक
नगमा आवाज आ रही है?
सुनाई नहीं दे रहे हो दीपक? दीपक
मैं नजर में आता हूँ, समझ में नहीं नगमा. Okay, hi, Anil, hi.
I know Biraj had told me that there's a crazy chemistry here. This much I didn't expect also. Right in the beginning, in the introduction, I said that quarantine is the situation where I have realized that everyone has become a content creator now. Like I turned around and there's only content creation happening. Everyone's become an influencer.
I'm not joking about you. We're not talking about you, right?
No. I'm legit. like tonight at 8:30 p.m. I will be posting a video where I went live with my fans and it was very emotional, and I would be putting a caption where I was like, views are not important but they are. Okay, so tell me how does it make you feel when like there's like every corner you turn there's an influencer, now there's a content creator now?
Honestly, I don't care. I mean, like, it's not like we are afraid of people coming into the business. Like, the thing is, this is not like a movie. Okay.
Yeah.
मतलब एक का टिकट ले लिया तो शायद दूसरा मूवी नहीं देखेगा. The more content, the more people will watch it. It's not like we're not afraid or all. I'll talk about me and Abhinav do that. Is that we love doing stuff with that we love to watch. So all we're doing is putting out content which we love to watch, and we are glad that there's an audience for that. That's about it. So there's this number game and all that. I used to be in it, like I used to think about it like 2-3 years ago when I just started. But it doesn't help.
I want everybody to make content, yaar. At least they need to go through the process that is behind that, the thought, the effort, number of people, and everything. So that is the experience. Like I tried thrice. I tried thrice for Indian Army. So whenever I see an army person, I know what all the process is, what all the grilling process is. So I have certain respect. So I mean, it's good, yeah. People are making content. It's nice.
But tell me, what does it make you feel when you see shit content that does well?
We have not seen your videos yet.
Just shut up. Did you just appreciate me like 2 minutes ago? At least some consistency I expect from you, yeah, Nick.
Nick, we are a part of this video, Nick. We are in this together, bro.
That's my video session. This is also my video. You are a part of. I want to tell you.
Exactly. This is going to be, the trendsetter for you, man.
There are two things that can happen if you watch content. A, if you feel that it's shit and it's working, you'll feel that what the fuck is happening in this world? Why is this doing so well?
Yeah.
And that doesn't help you, right? As a creator, that doesn't help you.
Yeah.
B, the thing is really good. Even if you don't want to, just conscious mind tries to imitate. That doesn't help you.
True.
So for me, that's what I choose to not watching content, because I want to be as fresh, as unique as possible. That's why all my stories are like just plug in.
Very subtle. All the brands out there. Approach Nick for subtle promotions.
For unique content.
Yeah. But what about you, Abhinav? What does it make you feel when you see shitty content that does well?
Yeah, I don't know. I think I have this, liking for shitty content. I like trippy content. I don't know. Yeah. Matlab, people were roasting so many things and so many content, but I don't know. If I see something like shitty, I trip over it, and I develop a certain liking for that content on every platform.
I would agree to that. Because why? I'll tell you why. Abhinav, why? It's because we are content creators, and a proper, well-produced, funny video would not make us laugh because we know the process of it.
Absolutely,
right?
Absolutely. Yes, absolutely.
So and videos are something that is like, कौन बना रहा है? क्यों बना रहा है? That would make us laugh.
Okay, now we're getting into a segment where we put out a story asking your fans to send in questions for you guys. The first one is from Mr_handsome_. Okay, the question is from where he got the inspiration to be a YouTuber.
I mean, Majiwada. I got it in Majiwada.
What is that?
Oh, the supermarket.
Oh, okay. So I didn't get that in the beginning. आपको कहाँ से मिला, Abhinav?
I went there and it was out of stock. Nick only suggested me.
I got all. मतलब मेरे को जब मिला तब मैं सब ले लिया था.
सारे ले लिए.
Ordered it.
Okay, you ordered it online. Abhinav ordered it online.
Yeah.
Perfect. We love it. Okay, Shahzeb_870 is asking, when is Nick gonna marry?
The question is not when. The question is who. Who is Nick gonna marry?
What nonsense.
You have 2 kids, Nick. You haven't told them.
Yeah.
Should we be announcing it now or what? Are we telling them?
I have 2 kids. That's not the point. The point is about marriage, not about kids. Nobody asked about my kids.
That's how the marriage is. Okay,
cool,
Nashat8827 is asking, is it right on the YouTuber's part to use MCBC Galias openly in their videos? Will the teenagers get influenced? Is it okay? What do you think?
No, yeah. I use it, but I beep all of them.
Yeah.
So if they are like beeping in real life, so it's fine.
बना रहा है.
Rahul B. So it's fine. It's fun.
Yeah.
Whenever it's there, I'll beep it, but it's very seldom that it's there. But honestly, it's very. It is personal for me because I feel that I have audience which are kids too.
Yeah.
I don't want them to get influenced. I'm sure they'll get influenced, but I don't want them to get influenced by me at least. And whoever, I mean, like, there's nothing against someone who does MCBC Gali in their content.
Yeah.
It's because people who watch them, they know that he's giving it. So it's their choice to either watch them or not to watch them.
True.
Nothing against them. But I personally don't feel like, I should give.
Perfect.
Absolutely. Like, I'm a big Anurag Kashyap fan, man. I mean, I'll watch it. But I know where to use those words and where not to use.
Yeah.
So there should be that sense.
Yeah.
I think school में हमें ये भी पढ़ाना चाहिए यार कि इन words को कैसे responsibly use करना है. यार it's a very far-fetched thing. कभी बैठेंगे ना हम लोग साथ में तो हम लोग बात करेंगे इसके बारे में.
Okay, done. Q&A में बात करेंगे हम डिटेल में. Okay. Kavya Parekh 33 is asking, Abhinav जी की कोई GF?
अभिनव जी की कोई GF?
सुनो जी, कोई GF?
यार देखो बात चल रही है. अभी अगर मैंने
बता दिया ना कहाँ पहुंचे
तो हाँ वो गड़बड़ ना हो जाए तो इसलिए जब बात सब हो जाएगी ना ओके then I'll
But what does that mean? Are you in a relationship or not? What do you mean बात चल रही है मतलब what does that mean?
मतलब यार अभी मैंने
शादी हो रहा है क्या?
अभी अरे नहीं भाई नहीं अभी मैंने इस लॉकडाउन में हिम्मत जुटा के मेरी एक गर्लफ्रेंड थी भाई बस एक ही गर्लफ्रेंड थी उसके बाद मेरी हिम्मत नहीं हुई किसी इन सब चीजों में पढ़ने की भाई बट इस लॉकडाउन में मैंने फाइनली हिम्मत जुटाई है एंड दोबारा से उस एक्स को मैसेज किया है
उसको ही मैसेज किया
very courageous
Abhinav I want to ask you something
yes
would you be open to like would you have like a very open relationship like Ranveer does like with all his girlfriends like show your fans that he's your girlfriend or would you like keep it
if I reach Bollywood I'll do it ठीक है अगर वहां तक नहीं पहुंचता फिर बता के क्या करना है यार थोड़े से लोगों को बता के क्या टिल आर्टिकल्स ना हो उस पे अभी देख रेनेल अगर आर्टिकल नहीं करता फिर मैं क्या फायदा बताऊं ऐसा बताओ कि
No, we'll make it happen. We'll make it happen now also. Are you in an open relationship? You say it. I would make sure the headlines come in.
I'll tell you na. I'll tell you. If she replies back, I'll send bhai chhap do.
Saurabh Singh _ ... is asking who's your favorite person.
Mine is RJ Abhinav.
How lovely.
I can't get over you, Nick.
And you can't copy my answer. Yours is also RJ Abhinav, right?
Is this the open relationship that you guys were talking about?
No.
Nick, reply my text. No. In what sense? Like favorite person as in...
Like someone that you share everything with, someone that's there for you. Who's your 3 a.m. call?
Yeah, I think it's my elder brother.
Yeah.
Who is in Canada. But so once he moved out, so the bond, got even stronger.
Yeah.
So I think now he's the one. I share everything, and he's my 3 a.m. buddy because वहाँ पे शाम हो रही होती है.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough.
अच्छा था. I think the YouTube circle favorite 3 a.m. person is Pure Biceps. He always calls you at 3 a.m.
Yes.
You don't call me at 3 a.m. Ranveer is the favorite 3 a.m. person.
Okay, now the fan questions are over. It's time to play a quick little game called Quickie, which basically means quick questions and quick answers. Okay.
Something like Ladki Ka Chakkar.
How cute.
Which was like, which is not a clickbait because the whole video is about Ladki Ka Chakkar. So
Ladki Ka Chakkar. That's not very clickbait. That's fine.
Okay, genuinely funny was like now people have started copying. Someone called me VB Light. So when I first read it, it was funny.
But you are.
Who is your most favorite Indian TikToker? Ranveer.
Yeah.
Abhinav?
I like Sunny Leone. There is a new I don't know if parody account, but the guy is real. He's funny, man. He's funny.
Okay.
Yeah.
And he has a partner named Mia Khalifa also. You have to watch it. Nick, tune dekha?
I will check. That's my plan for after this.
Crazy.
Sunny Leone and Mia Khalifa. Love it.
Mia Khalifa also.
What is the funniest comment that you've received on like Instagram or YouTube?
The funniest is your videos are not funny. And okay, genuinely funny was like now people have started copying. Someone called me VB Light. So when I first read it, it was funny.
But you are.
Guys,
You look alike. Not light, but look alike.
I got my meme too. There was like a picture of me and Karan, and there was like Karan Johar, and then there was a Karan Johar light. I really enjoyed it.
Ajinkya Rane light. We all are light, man. All light people here.
Yeah. Like I love these light memes. Love it.
I had received one comment saying that I'll do a FRI against you. And I researched this forest research investigation.
Oh God. Okay. What is the weirdest collaboration request you've ever received?
There was this Zoom call with there's this show called you know the show, right?
Which one? Access Allowed.
Access Allowed.
Okay. Got it. Abhinav, please take over.
Yeah. Weirdest to nahi, but I was a bit skeptical about it. It was with TikTok only. So 3-4 days back only, the trends were on, and even I was making a lot of videos around it. And then I got a query, so I said, yeah, I can do it.
Who is the most overrated YouTuber according to you? Abhinav, you start.
I think PewDiePie.
Damn, man. Even I had the same answer.
Okay, now Nick, you have to answer somebody from India only. From India, who do you think is?
India, I don't watch content. You know that, right?
India what?
I don't watch content. How would I say someone's overrated without watching their content? I don't watch content.
If you had to choose between YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, which one would you choose?
YouTube.
That's lovely. Abhinav?
But honestly, right now I'm enjoying Instagram more.
YouTube and Instagram.
No, you can choose one. YouTube or Instagram then.
Only one.
Only one.
In Instagram.
Honestly, I'm enjoying Instagram a lot right now. But it's just because I've started off in YouTube, that's why.
Loyalty and all.
Loyalty, yeah.
Okay. Now, Abhinav, what is the most
Yes.
clickbait title you've ever used?
It was on my last magician video, coronavirus patient, and I removed immediately after it came on my feed from my second account. Like, I have another YouTube account, and I was scrolling, and I said, "Dude, let's not do this." Then I immediately changed. Yeah.
Something like "Ladki ka chakkar,"
How cute.
which was like, which is not a clickbait because the whole video is about "Ladki ka chakkar." So
Ladki ka chakkar. That's not very clickbait. That's fine. Okay, last question is, when was the last time you lied online and what was it about?
this show,
This show, what was it about is also part of the question.
the quickie that we were talking about, I told you years. It was actually decade.
It's actually, if it's not years, what is it actually?
It's decade.
Love it. What about, Abhinav, when was the last time you lied online and what was it about?
Yeah, every time. So every time I say I have got so many messages in my inbox, it's a lie.
चार रहते हैं ना.
कोई नहीं कहता. Nobody demands.
बहुत कम
Nobody
है
says
आजकल
anything.
इनबॉक्स आ ही नहीं रहा है. बहुत कम आ रहा है आजकल.
Okay, if I have to be honest, the winner for this is Abhinav. Abhinav, well done.
What? I gave more answers. I was very
और
fan.
क्या?
He was
And
choosing
ये
each and
competition
I would
था.
say
Renal.
myself and all that stuff. You always make me
You
lose, dude. I
didn't
don't know
tell
why.
us.
What grudge do you have against?
I mean, at least this time there is no hamper that you're using. Now this is just in the air. We will
Just because
we will rig it. Next time you're on the show, I will make sure that you get the hamper.
I don't want sympathy. Sympathy hamper.
Not sympathy, just friendship, Nick. I'm rigging it for our friendship.
I don't want
His
your
life
hamper.
is hampered now.
I'll give you the light hamper. Okay, thank you so much, guys. This is great fun. I'm so glad that I could get both of you together. I'm hoping that your
Thank
feelings
you
are
so
the
much,
same.
Renal. Super fun.
Now, at the end, we're doing something called Access Allowed Virtual Hug. Okay, so you guys come in for a hug like that, and then we will take a screen grab, which will be used for promotions later. Come in.
Hey, Madhuri, you should.
Okay, perfect. I think we got it. Okay, and you guys, thank you so much for tuning into Access Allowed. I will see you guys in another episode. Until then, take care, stay home, stay safe.